Hello guys, good morning. So welcome back to this channel. In case you are new here, my name is Irene Amimo and please welcome to this channel. So before I continue with this video, I want to appreciate those who watched my recent video which I uploaded like 1 day ago. Yeah, so in today's video guys, I want to do a cooking video. Like I want to prepare a snack which is very common in village homes during harvesting times. Like harvesting times is when people harvest maize, beans, those cereals and all those sorts of things. So in today's video, I'm gonna prepare this snack. It's not only a snack, but when we were young, it was used like there's a thing which grows here from inside. I don't know how it's called. If you do like this, you can touch it. So that thing, when it grows long or big, it was chopped off when we were young, and it was believed that this snack was used in order to make it heal faster, you know. So ensure you watch this video up to the end, ensure you subscribe and also like. I also want to thank you very much for always tuning into my channel. Otherwise guys, please welcome to the video.
Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm in the process. So what I'm doing now is removing the maize from the osoglo from the stalk. Yeah, so like what I'm basically making now, we call it ondelo in Kichaluo, but I think it goes so hand in hand with the popcorns. Like they are just similar. The only difference they have is that popcorns pop at the end, but these doesn't. Yeah, during harvesting seasons or harvesting times, most households prefer these in the morning, like for breakfast, where they take it with their white tea or black tea, or some even prefer taking it with porridge. So while making it, the only ingredients we require in making it is 1 oil and a pinch of salt, just a little bit of salt. Yeah, the maize which I'll recommend you to use is the softer ones, because if you use those hard ones or dry ones, it will interfere with the jaws. Like the jaws will I don't know how to say, but the jaws, it will interfere, like two hard things interferes with jaws, like itakuwa uchungu, you know. So that's why I'll recommend you to use the softer corns. Yeah, I remember when we were young, we used to carry this to school. We used to carry them in our pockets, our bags to school, especially during harvesting times, and we used to share them with our friends there at the school, and it was just such a good time. So without further ado guys, I'll just let you have a look at this video for yourself. Like it doesn't require a much complicated step or procedure, but it's just a simple to make. Like it's just being made like the same as the popcorns. The method is just similar. So I'll just leave it to you guys so that you can watch this video up to the end, and ensure that you will subscribe to this channel, just in case you feel like you wanna subscribe to this channel. So guys, I hope you're gonna watch this video up to the end, and thank you so much. Bye.